Want to speak real Vietnamese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at Vietnamesepod101.com.
Hey guys, it's Linh again. Welcome back to Vietnamesepod101.com, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Vietnamese. I have a totally brand new place, which is my house. I'm back for a few weeks to visit my family, so I'm making some new videos for you guys too. Today we will learn about how to compliment someone. I think it's very important because everybody wants to hear compliments. So now let's get started. The first one, if you want to say someone is doing their good job or you want to encourage them after they've done something, so you can say bạn làm tốt lắm. Bạn làm tốt lắm means you did a great job or good job. So I think it's very easy to say anywhere because it's so easy to apply. Try again one more time. Bạn làm tốt lắm. Bạn làm tốt lắm. The next one is anh nhiệt tình quá. Anh nhiệt tình quá. To talk to a man, and if you want to talk to a woman, you can say chị nhiệt tình quá. Chị nhiệt tình quá. And then after that, you can say cảm ơn anh or cảm ơn chị to say thank you. So this one literally means you're very enthusiastic or you're very passionate, something like that. It's like they are very enthusiastic to do something to help you or something. So you can just easily say, anh nhiệt tình quá, cảm ơn anh nhé. So if someone invites you to their place to have lunch or dinner, then what should you say after that? I'll show you one way so you can easily say like this. Cảm ơn anh chị vì bữa tối. Cảm ơn anh chị vì bữa tối. Cảm ơn anh chị vì bữa tối. So that means thank you very much for dinner. But if you are invited for lunch, then you can just replace bữa tối by bữa trưa. Bữa trưa. So, cảm ơn anh chị vì bữa trưa. Cảm ơn anh chị vì bữa trưa. In Vietnamese, we have three words for three meals. Bữa sáng means breakfast. Bữa trưa means lunch. And bữa tối means dinner. But one more thing, if you want to say having breakfast, so you can just say ăn sáng. Ăn sáng. Having lunch, ăn trưa. Ăn trưa. And having dinner, ăn tối. Ăn tối. When you see someone wearing something very nice or when you notice someone have something new, you can say màu này hợp với chị lắm. Màu này hợp với chị lắm. Màu này hợp với chị lắm for a woman. And for men, you can say màu này hợp với anh lắm. Màu này hợp với anh lắm. Màu này hợp với anh lắm. That means this color suits you a lot. So when they are wearing a new shirt or a new t-shirt or some new accessories with nice colors, so you can easily say this color suits you a lot. Màu này hợp với chị lắm. Màu này hợp với anh lắm. Hôm nay em rất đẹp. Hôm nay em rất đẹp. Hôm nay em rất đẹp. So this one is very simple, but very easy to use everywhere with any woman. So it means today you are very beautiful. So it doesn't mean that the other days you're not beautiful, okay? But that means they are specifically more beautiful than every day. Okay, so hôm nay em rất đẹp. Or you also can use another way, which is hôm nay em đẹp lắm. Hôm nay em đẹp lắm. So both means you are very beautiful today. There is another way to compliment someone, which is to compliment their kids, because usually people are very proud of their kids, right? So if you compliment their kids are very smart or very beautiful or very intelligent, so they absolutely will love it. Okay, now let's see how it looks in the sentence. You can say cháu nhà chị thông minh ghê. Cháu nhà chị thông minh ghê. Cháu nhà chị thông minh ghê. That means your kid is very intelligent. Or you also can say cháu nhà chị đáng yêu ghê. Cháu nhà chị đáng yêu ghê. That means your kid is very lovely. Okay, I think it's enough to give compliments to someone. Either you're invited to a meal, or you're going to their houses, or you just like the way they look. So I hope it's very helpful for you today. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and visit the website VietnamesePod101.com to learn more Vietnamese. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next one.